Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Slice Knowledge. So Slice Knowledge is a content builder, but it is not going to create some typical content. It is going to generate course for you, courses with full outlines and all of the topics covered, all of the related topics. And other than courses, we can also call them e-learning modules. And a great news is Slice Knowledge is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $1,000, but at AppSumo, you are getting the lifetime deal of Slice Knowledge at only $59. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. So here are the features. As you can see, you can export unlimited courses. You can create courses using the AI. You can add interactive video, screen recording, there is AI image generation, there is multilingual GUI, multilingual publishing, automated translation, optional watermark, and also advanced analytics. And these are two tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $59 with 720 AI credits and 1 user. And these AI credits are going to be used for the AI assistant. There is an AI assistant for Slice Knowledge that can answer any questions that you might have, just like ChatGPT. And on this license tier, you can host 25 courses directly on Slice. And the license tier 2 costs $179 with 2 users, and the AI credits is 2000. You can host 100 courses, and then there are some additional features such as you can have one custom template with your own design. You will have one advanced document AI conversion. There is also chatbot assistant, pre-built training modules, premium AI writing assistant, and also 200 plus integrations. So if you want to buy Slice Knowledge on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. So before I show you the dashboard of Slice Knowledge, let me show you something that I have created using Slice Knowledge. So this is one course or e-learning module that I have created. It is about social media advertising and it was fully created with Slice Knowledge. So if I click on this, you can see the whole outline for this topic. And this is the first page, the introduction page, and then I can go to the next page. So here is the next page. As you can see, there are text, video, and all of this content are given or created by Slice Knowledge. So let's go to the next chapter, Facebook advertising. So as you can see, once again, here is one image, then written content and image. So this is amazing what Slice Knowledge creates in a few minutes. There is even a quote, as you can see here, and the images are also super relatable. So let's go to the next chapter. So these are previews of the course or the e-learning module that I have created using Slice Knowledge. So after you log into Slice, you will get this dashboard, and creating your course or e-learning module is super easy. All you have to do is paste or write your topic on this box. And there are some pre-given words such as you can use this guide, about, trip to, how to, tell me about. So you can use these words to write whatever topic you want. So let me paste here a topic. So it is about health and wellness, yoga for stress relief. You can also use your own voice to type something on this box. And then you have to choose what type of paging style you want. So it could be one pager unit or it also could be scrolling unit. So I'm going to keep it on scrolling unit. And then all I have to do is click on Slice It to create the course. And as you can see, now the course creation process has started. You will also see the progress on here. So as you can see, currently the AI is writing outline. And here we go. So the course has been created, the e-learning module. And I have to say I'm super impressed with the speed. It took about 20 to 30 seconds to create this whole course. And if I want to show you the full course, all I have to do is click on this. So as you can see, obviously the first one is the opening page. Then there are so many topics that the AI has covered. So understanding stress, the basics, the poses, the routine, and also the mental wellness. And the best part is if you are not happy with all of these topics, if you want more chapters, you can also do that. Just click on this add new chapter and then you can add whatever chapter, whatever topic you want. So let's first go to this first page. So the first chapter is understanding stress, and this is an introduction. So all of this content is written by AI. And also there is a very related image to this topic. Then there is another topic and also some questions. So this is amazing. You also get some questions on here. And then there is also another image with some interesting facts about yoga. And obviously, this is the live editor, which means as you are previewing this course, you can also edit, make adjustment to this course. So you can add subheading, paragraph, list, image, or even video. And if I click on this plus icon, so the main editor is going to open. Now you can add various blocks. So here are some text blocks, then some media blocks. So as you can see, there are some amazingly beautiful media blocks. Then the question blocks, here are the question blocks, the content layouts. So here are the layouts, and there is also various structural elements. So you can add any of this if you want. If you are not happy with the existing design by the AI, you can add any of these blocks. Okay, so let's close this one. And obviously the existing content is also modifiable. So all you have to do is just click on this. Now, as you can see, I can now delete something. So let's delete this. So it is now deleted. And you can even rewrite this content. For example, let's select this sentence. And as you can see, there are so many text formatting options available. So I can change the text, change the font size, and make it to order list. And the best part is I can even use the AI. So I can use the AI to expand the sentence, rewrite, simplify. So there are various writing enhancement options available for you. So I can even turn this sentence into some questions if I want. And for example, on this content, you haven't found enough resources. So you want to add some more text, more content. For that, you can simply open the AI assistant. So if I click on this flower icon on the right bottom side, click on this. And as you can see now, the chatbots are going to open. So there are two chatbots. One is this 𝗗𝗵𝘃-4 chatbot, and the other is SliceBot by Slice Knowledge. So first, let's open the SliceBot, try to get some interesting facts about yoga. Okay, so I want 3 interesting facts about yoga. Let's send this to the bot and let's see what we get. So here we go. As you can see, we have got 3 very interesting facts about yoga from the SliceBot. And there are also some other features. So if I click on this plus icon, as you can see, it is now added. So wherever you are, wherever your mouse cursor is, whatever section, whatever part you have selected on your content, if you simply click on this plus icon after getting some resources from the AI, that is going to be added. So as you can see, these 3 facts, interesting facts, have been added to this course. And there's also another amazing feature. So using this AI assistant, you can also convert the answer from the AI to questions or to cards or to chat or to code. So let's add it to questions. And as you can see, so here is the question that has been generated using this answer from the AI. So let's close this bot. So now let's go to another section. The next chapter is basics of yoga. So these are the basics of yoga. And obviously there are a lot of sections with very relatable images and all of these facts. And now let's go to the next section. So here is another section. And as you can see, there is even a GIF or video added to your content, and it was also added automatically. So this is amazing how engaging content you get from Slice Knowledge. These are not just your typical content. And obviously you can add a lot of different types of additional things. Just click on this plus icon. You can add whatever block you want. You can also adjust the existing content. So if you want to delete it, let's just delete it. So as you can see, it is now deleted. You can add a list. You can also add subheading, paragraph. So let's go to the next chapter now. It is about yoga routine. So now there is also another feature. If you want to add something to the image, you can also do that. You can adjust the existing images. So as you can see, here is one image and there are some options. So you can upload another image. You can also make this image full screen. You can parallax it if you want. So here is the parallax version. And here is the zoomed version. And a great feature on this image is that you can even add alt text. So if you click on this, now you can add the image description that describes this particular image. And once you select a specific portion, for example, I have selected this image, there are some options that are going to be available for you. So I can duplicate, or I can make this image favorite. I can grid this image. And also there is option to move this image up or down, or I can delete this. And this feature applies to anything that you select. For example, I selected this, and as you can see on the right side, there are all of these options available. And obviously you can see the whole content at once if you click on this outline. So here are all of the content with their chapters or outline. Now, if you want to share this content, what are you going to do? For that, first you have to approve all of your content. So as you can see, there is one option here, approve content before sharing. So click on this. So now this page is approved. So this way you have to approve also all the other pages. So also let's approve this one. So simply click on approve content before sharing. So let's approve all of them. Okay, so I have approved all of the content, all of the chapters, and now I can share this content. For that, I have to go to the right top side and click on this, and then this page is going to appear. So you have to enable this share content and then copy this link. Then you can share this link, and anyone that opens this link is going to be redirected to your course or e-learning module that is hosted on Slice Knowledge. You can also directly share to some social platforms if you want. And on the top right side, you can also see different views. So mobile views, tablet views. So you can see some different views of your course on the right top side. And there are also some other options here. So you can change the learning settings from here. You can also import this content as PDF. There is also choosing template. So you can choose a template from here. So here are 2 templates. And if you click on this view, you can preview your course as a visitor. And something I forgot to show you is that if you click on this AI assistant, you can also even create your own bot. So just click on new bot, and then you can select your new bot with some of your custom prompts, and that bot could be powered by some specific language models. So it could be 𝗗𝗵𝘀 or Claude. Overall, I think Slice Knowledge is an excellent course creator. It is super easy to use. All you have to do is just type the name of your topic, and then it is going to create a full-fledged course with so many topics or chapters. And the best part is it even adds medias. I have seen a lot of related images and even videos. So this is amazing how engaging content you get from Slice Knowledge. And it also has a lot of language support. So other than just English, you can also create courses on even your own language. And if you want to buy Slice Knowledge on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this deal, you are going to get all of these features, as you can see. And here are 2 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.